People can't get enough of Tommy Shelby from Peaky Blinders. He's not just a character, he's a force of nature, a silent storm with charisma so thick you could cut it with a knife. While you might not want to adopt every part of his complicated persona, there are 8 powerful habits you can learn from him to command respect from everyone around you. And though Peaky Blinders is a scripted show, the psychological insights we're diving into today are absolutely applicable to real life. First off, Tommy is slow. Deliberate movements are an art form. Unless he's in the midst of a fight, he's never in a hurry. His leisurely pace conveys a sense of calm and control, signaling that he's above intimidation. Moving slowly and with purpose in situations where others would be stressed shows that you are unbothered and in control. Think of it as a power move. While everyone else is rushing around like headless chickens, you're the one who's cool as ice, surveying the chaos with a smirk. Next up is eye contact. Tommy doesn't just look at people. He looks through them. His piercing gaze, even in conflict, establishes dominance and confidence. Holding eye contact, especially in tense situations, shows strength. It's not just about staring someone down. It's about understanding what your gaze communicates. Hold it to show you're not intimidated, break it to de-escalate, and look sideways instead of down to avoid signaling submission. It's a subtle art, but master it, and you'll have people trembling. Tommy's ability to command respect in conflicts comes from his non-reactivity. He exudes confidence without uttering a word. Being non-reactive shows you believe in your ability to handle whatever's thrown your way. It's tough not to respect someone who keeps their cool when others would crack. His non-reactivity under pressure projects unshakable confidence. When the world is falling apart and everyone is losing their heads, you are the rock, the one who doesn't flinch. Another tip from Tommy. When addressing a crowd, match your body language to the size of your audience. Expand your gestures to command the room. This makes you appear more authoritative and engaging. It's about taking up space. Don't be afraid to dominate the room with your presence. Let your gestures be as grand as your ambitions. Let's move on to how Tommy speaks. His word choice is deliberate and confident. When he talks about his plans, he doesn't say, "I hope" or "I want to." He says, "I will." This word choice conveys certainty and determination. Beyond the words, his tone also shows conviction. Many people weaken their statements with an upward inflection, making them sound like questions. To project confidence, end your statements with a downward inflection. Speak as if every word is law, because in your world, it is. Like his deliberate movements, Tommy's speech is measured, with strategic pauses that draw people in. The pause is a silent command for attention, making people hang on his every word. Speaking slowly and using pauses effectively can make you seem more thoughtful and in control. It's about creating tension and making them wait for the punchline. Every pause is a moment for your audience to edge closer, desperate to hear what comes next. Tommy doesn't need to shout to command attention. He knows what people crave or fear and uses that knowledge to his advantage. His quiet words carry immense weight because he understands the power dynamics at play. It's the quiet ones you have to watch out for when Tommy speaks. You listen, because every word is a potential game changer. Tommy's calm demeanor in high-pressure situations comes from knowing he holds all the cards. He uses carrot and stick motivation to wield power, understanding what people want and fear. While we're not suggesting you resort to threats, you can apply this principle in your life. For example, if you want a raise or promotion, don't just ask for it. Instead, tell your boss how you can add more value and outline clear goals. At the same time, get other job offers to strengthen your position. This way, you have both the carrot and the stick, showing your boss the value you bring while having alternatives if they don't meet your demands. Building this kind of confidence might seem daunting, but it's easier than you think with the right game plan. You can become significantly more confident in just a few weeks. This channel serves as your beacon, guiding you on the path to mastery in all facets of existence. And if you're ready to ascend to greater heights, bestow upon us the boon of your endorsement by smashing that like button and subscribing. Until our paths converge again, remain resolute.